Hi, my name is Mohit Sangal and I came to DHI exactly 1 year ago. The major hair loss was on the crown and the hairline was receding and also the sides tapering down. I was lacking a lot of confidence at my work, in my social gatherings, at my meetings, and I traveled from Halifax to Delhi for my hair transplant. Considering Turkey initially because that was also halfway for me from Canada, but heard a lot of botched up surgeries in Turkey there. So the best idea was to come to India because India had more exposure to hair transplant, and finally came across DHI. And I met doctor and with full confidence came here. With a nice hairline, good like non-bald look. I don't know why, but yes, it does boost up the whole confidence part in me. And I feel more happy about it. And people, my friends, they look at me and they tell me that everything looks amazing. They say like I look younger than what I was before. If you come to DHI, that is your best bet. Best bang for the buck, best doctors, best team to take care of you, and best after surgery service, I would call it.